Welcome to Algebra Basics. Today we are exploring one of the most fundamental rules in mathematics, the commutative property. This property helps us understand how numbers relate to each other when we add or multiply them, and it is a key tool for solving equations efficiently. First, let's understand the word itself. Commutative comes from the word commute, which means to travel or move around, like traveling to work. In mathematics, the commutative property simply means that numbers can swap places or move around without changing the final result. If you remember that commute means to move, you will always remember this property. Let's look at the commutative property of addition. The rule states that a plus b is equal to b plus a. It does not matter which number comes first. For example, 4 plus 3 equals 7. If we swap them and calculate 3 plus 4, the answer is still 7. The order of the numbers does not affect the sum. We can see this clearly with a visual diagram. On the left, we have 2 red balls added to 3 blue balls. If we count them all up, we get 5. On the right side, we start with 3 blue balls and add 2 red balls. The total is still 5. The pile of balls is the same size, regardless of which color we put down first. This property also works for multiplication. The rule states that a multiplied by b is equal to b multiplied by a. Looking at our example, 6 times 5 equals 30. If we reverse the order to 5 times 6, the result remains 30. Just like addition, the order of the factors does not change the product. We can visualize this using the area of a rectangle. A grid that is 3 rows high and 4 columns wide has 12 squares in total. If we rotate that shape, it becomes 4 rows high and 3 columns wide. It still contains exactly 12 squares. The total area remains the same whether we see it as 3 times 4 or 4 times 3. Now you might be wondering, does this work for everything? The answer is no. Subtraction is not commutative. For instance, 10 minus 4 gives us 6, but if we swap the order to 4 minus 10, we get negative 6. 6 and negative 6 are not the same number. Therefore, order matters in subtraction. Division is also not commutative. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. However, 2 divided by 8 equals 0.25 or 1/4. Think about pizza. Sharing 8 pizzas between 2 people is a feast. Sharing 2 pizzas between 8 people is a light snack. The order definitely matters here. Why is this useful? It makes mental math much easier. Look at the problem 17 plus 25 plus 3. Adding 17 and 25 in your head is tricky, but using the commutative property, we can swap the 25 and the 3. Now we have 17 plus 3, which is 20. Adding the 25 to that gives us 45. We can also use this in algebra to group like terms, such as moving x terms together to simplify expressions. To summarize, the commutative property allows us to swap the order of numbers for addition and multiplication. It does not work for subtraction or division. Remembering this simple rule will help you simplify complex problems and perform mental math with greater speed and accuracy.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.